Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Ashmary lace closure wig right here. The hair is actually 22 inches and it came in this gorgeous packaging. The packaging came with loads of amazing goodies, and it came with a baby hair comb, it came with an eyelashes, it came with a wig cap, and it also came in this cute green bag, that you can store your hair when you're done. And look at that. The hair is silky straight from the box. Please bear in mind that you don't need any glue or gel to install this hair. The construction of the cap is glueless, so it comes with two combs at the front and one comb at the back, and it also has an elastic strap as well, so you don't need any glue or gel to secure your hair. You can easily use the elastic strap or the comb to secure your hair. I really love the construction of the cap. It's very neat and very nice, and yeah, that's what the hair looks like. The hair comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it. As you can tell, you can pack the hair all the way to the back. To install the hair, I applied the lace glue on my on the areas where I was going to place the lace, and I waited for the glue to dry, and then place the lace exactly on where I applied the glue, the edge of the lace, if that makes sense. Then apply the scarf on it. Yeah, and that was it. As easy as that, basically. So I cut off the excess lace from the wig, and voila, look at that. I love the lace of this wig. It's transparent, it's easy to work with, very soft, and the hairline is amazing. The hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, so you don't have to do anything at all. All I did was all you need to use is just to cut the lace and you'll be good to go. But I like to go extra just to show you guys the quality of the hair, as I am loving it. Look at the hairline, guys. It looks so natural. It's so amazing that you'd have thought that it was actually my natural hair. I love it. Where is the lace? Like, show me the lace. So I decided to apply, powder or foundation, whatever you want. Just apply it to the parts. And you guys know I'm not a fan of baby hair, but for lace closure wig you need baby hair. But I managed to do something, by the way. And yeah, I applied baby hair on the areas where the lace ended, just to give it a natural look, or like a lace frontal look, if that makes sense. And I applied that spray on the TGI spray, and then tie the scarf again just to lay everything in place, and bam, that was it. I combed the hair down just to cover that space where the lace closure end, if that makes sense, and spray the wig with the heat protection spray. Bear in mind that you don't need to curl this hair, you don't need to straighten this hair, but I decided to straighten it again just to be able to show you guys that you can dye the hair, you can tongue the hair, you can treat it just like your own natural hair. The quality of the hair is amazing. As you guys can tell, I don't really need to straighten it at all, but I just showed you guys normal routine, just for you guys to be able to know that yes, you can actually straighten this hair, you can tongue it and do all sorts with the hair. So yeah, I am loving it so far. If you're a beginner and you're not sure of what lace wig to go for, I'll definitely recommend you check out Ashmary Hair and go for this lace wig. It's very closure wig. It's very easy and to install, and I love the fact that everything has been done for you straight from the box. You don't have to worry at all. So yeah, stay tuned for my review. I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Ashmary lace closure wig right here. Guys, I am loving this hair. I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. The first thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that the hair is actually silky straight from the box. You don't have to do anything at all. The hair is silky straight from the box, so you don't have to straighten it whatsoever straight from the box. So that's one of the most amazing thing I like about the hair, because sometimes you just want to wear your wig and go out without having to use your hair straightener or anything like that. You can just cut your lace and you'll be good to go. I really like the construction of this cap. As you guys can tell, it has two combs at the front and one comb at the back, meaning you can use the comb in the cap to secure your wig without having to use any glue or gel. And otherwise you can actually use the elastic elastic strap from the cap to install your hair without having to use any glue or gel as well. But as you guys already know, on this channel we have to use glue so that we can wear the hair for a while, and I'll be able to give you guys enough tea about the hair when I do my voiceover. So for that reason I decided to, you know, apply glue as always. But otherwise you can wear the hair straight from the box just by cutting your lace and, you know, applying your parts wherever you decide to whatever part you decide to go for, and you will be good to go. You don't need any glue or gel to install the hair. So that for me is just amazing. Another thing I like about this is the fact that the construction of the cap is very neat, and I love the lace of the hair. The lace of the wig is very soft and easy to work with. So I just actually cut my lace and laid my baby hair and I was good to go. The hair is really silky. You don't really have to apply anything on this hair. I love the fact that it's really soft, very silky, and there has been no shedding or tangling. Throughout the styling of this hair I didn't experience any shedding or tangling at all. And I also love the fact that the hair is true to length. In terms of the quality of the hair, I am a huge fan. I also love the fact that it doesn't have any nasty smell to it whatsoever. You don't have to stress, you don't have to worry about yourself when it comes to installing this hair. That for me is just amazing. Everyone likes to wear it. Everyone likes a wig that you just put on your head and then bam, you're out. That is the type of vibe I'm getting from this unit. I love the fact that the installation is kind of stress-free and comes with baby hair. If you're the type that actually like baby hair, then you are in for a treat. The hair has baby hair around the perimeters of it, and the hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about that as well. The hair also comes with amazing goodies which are really good for you to install your hair or to, you know, spice up your wig a bit. If you guys don't know Ashmary Hair, Ashmary Hair are a brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace closure wig, they have lace frontal wig, they have body wave wig, they have all types of wig style and texture on their website. So feel free to check them out. You'll definitely find something for you or your loved ones. I also like the fact that the shipping was really quick. The shipping took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK, which for me is just amazing. So would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. In terms of the quality of the hair, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of the construction of the cap, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of how easy it is to install the hair, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of the lace of the wig, how easy it is to work with the lace of the wig, is definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of their shipping, which took 4 days, is definitely A plus for me. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that you guys check out Ashmary Hair. Family have amazing offers on their website, so you definitely get something for you and your loved ones. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the hair, and I would definitely recommend that you guys check out their websites. I am loving this hair. So far so good. No shedding, no tangling whatsoever. So yeah, it's an 8 plus for me, and I love the fact that it's really full and true to length. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.